بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, welcome to page 22 of our book. So today, what do we have here? We have تدريبات المخارج والصفات. It's just an exercise on the articulation point and the characteristics of the letters. Okay, how do we pronounce them? Where do they come from? Okay, it's good when you read, this letter comes from a particular place in your mouth and it has a characteristic. Is it heavy? Is it light? Is it amongst the letters which are now whistle-like? Is it letters which come from the two lips? Are they letters which come from the tip of the tongue or at the end back of your throat? Okay, so this is what we're doing here. So we'll be reading them. And also all of these words, by the way, they all have meaning, okay? But their meaning for now, we are not interested with the meaning. We are interested in the reading, okay? The meaning will come later, inshallah. So let's jump to the first one. So we have abada, abada, abada. Okay, then we have abada, 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 أبض بتح 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 بطح 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 okay ترك 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 طرق 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 okay, all of this amongst the heavy letters, حروف التفخيم. Then we have ثمنا 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 سمنا 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 غرز 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 غرس 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 صبأ 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 سبأ سبأ okay, saw and sa, sa. This one is heavy, this one is light, please. Then we have sa ta la satala satala ta ta satala سدلا 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 ستلا سدلا عطب عطب عطب. Then we have عتب عتب عتب. So we have طا and تا, طا and تا. Okay, inshallah, let's go to the second half of the book. Then we have جرع جرع جرع. We have جرح 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 جرع جرح and ha. Notice the difference. براء 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 برع 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 برأ برع سفر 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 صفر 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 سفر صفر okay. زرد 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 سرد 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 زرد سرد فرق 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 فرك 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 فرق فرك بدأ 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 بضع 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 بدأ بضع بحث. This is ba and ha. Please look at the dot here. Okay, if the dot if you have this sign here or this shape here and we have a dot here, it means it's a ba, or here, and sometimes when it's on top here it's noon. Do not forget that one. Okay, so this is ba and ha. Okay, ba ha tha bahatha bahatha. Then we have ba'atha ba'atha bahatha ba'atha. Okay, ramasa 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 ramasa. Okay, ramasa ramasa. Okay, I'll tell you something about this, the articulation point and the characteristics of letters. In Arabic, just one slight mistake of pronunciation, it changes a meaning. It changes meaning of a word or a sentence. Okay, so it's very, very important for us to articulate these letters the way they are supposed to be articulated. It's good for us to know if this is a heavy letter, this is a light letter, and one secret or one way of knowing them is just practice. Keep on practicing, keep on practicing. And maybe, for example, you didn't understand a topic or a page, please rewatch the video again and again until you are comfortable. Inshallah, ma'a salama. See you in the next page.